At my signal, unleash hell.
Another 12 months time minimum. So for the next quarter and towards the end of the year, I want to add some more cars to the fleet. What should I buy? Pretty much got every kind of.
Hey Bruce.
2, 3, 3.
Hey. Fuck man. Fucking genius.
That's some really sharp, idiots. You're a fucking wanker. I've got you on camera, chair. Fucking wanker.
That's dash cam footage.
That went directly up his ass.
Nice parking, idiot.
Have immunity from a 3-strike drug policy.
Run, bitch! Run!
Drug testing, telling players to fake an injury when they have drugs in their system.
Oh, bro, the Tesla will outgun you. Lovely. Scotty, the world's full of dickheads.
You're goddamn right.
Oh, the fucking Holden. Fucking Holdens. Fucking hell.
Household or something like that. Yeah, fire or something. Fire brigade's coming. That's it. Hey mate, your house is on fire. Oh, I better get home. It's not dark yet. This is coming.
What the fuck is this guy doing? That's a new one? How about that one, Scotty?
I think it sucks.
Behind us. Alright, what are you doing? Stupid.
Denied.
The Range Rover. Behind us.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only
Oh, fuck! Oh my fucking god! Oh my dear fucking... Are you alright? That was a bit of crazy driving, mate. That was crazy driving.
Ever heard of Evel Knievel?
hot rod for Scotty on the right. There you go, Scotty. Hot rod. Woo! Chicky bag driving it.
Oh,